Those humans have it really bad these days. With each passing day, COVID-19 is taking away more lives, while deepening social and economic hardships. Governments are rushing to vaccinate their citizens. Unfortunately, benefits from such efforts require months or even years to materialize. Until then, we resort to the time-old practices of distancing and isolation.
Terrible. Oh, by the way, I came across a cool article. It's by Vita Story, Roman Lukyanenko and Camille Grunge. They suggest an interesting way to fight COVID-19 and other pandemics that has not been tried before.
Cool, can you tell me about it? So, what is that innovative solution these researchers proposed?
Sure. It's a physical distancing app. You see, physical distancing is one of the best ways to prevent the virus from spreading. But so far, humans have been pretty bad at it. Some, yes, indeed, keep their distance. But many more ignore it. And even for those who practice distancing, it's not easy. You can forget or bump into another person by accident. So here where the distancing app comes in.
Neat idea.
Exactly. This app can gently vibrate in a cell phone and alert the user of an approaching person. It can also suggest safest routes to take to avoid crowds.
Sounds easy, but it's probably not so simple in reality.
Exactly. Although one way to create such app is just to wing it, a development of such app is more complex than merely coding it. Vita, Roman and Camille call on the policymakers, private sector and researchers to collaborate and do this app right. Part of the problem in designing such app is that despite decades of research on social technologies, the aim all along has been to bring people together, not help them to stay apart. A new thinking is needed on how to encourage people to be apart. Yet, such app, if done right, could prevent costly and unpopular punitive measures and immediately begin saving lives.
Indeed.
So, this article provides the background and details on how to implement an app like this. It also talks about other pandemic technologies. The ideas proposed in this article can be quite useful for finally defeating COVID-19, but also for combating any future pandemics.
Sounds quite useful. Where can I read it?
I put a link at the bottom of this video. Do check it out.